In front of me is DOOGEE V20 and today I would like to show you how you can set up app lock on this DOOGEE device. First of all, go into settings, scroll down and tap on security. Now you need to choose app lock and tap on open the encryption. After that, pick one of those login methods for your apps, digital password, pattern password or complex one. I will go with pattern. Now you need to enter it and repeat it. After clicking continue. Then choose complete and go back. Finally, click on the switcher next to an app that you wish to lock. In my case, it will be calendar. Now when I click home button and try to access calendar app, as you can see, pattern is now required. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to leave a like, comment and definitely subscribe. Bye!